Tuberculosis. Tuberculosis is caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis, which spreads through the air when an infected monkey coughs or breathes. It attacks the lungs by slowly damaging lung tissue, causing persistent coughing and weakness that can eventually lead to severe lung damage and death.
Tetanus. Tetanus is caused by Clostridium tetani, which enters the body through contaminated wounds. It attacks the nervous system by releasing a powerful toxin, causing painful muscle spasms that can eventually stop breathing.
Plague. Plague is caused by Yersinia pestis, which usually spreads through infected fleas. It attacks the lymphatic system and can spread into the bloodstream, causing severe infection that can eventually lead to organ failure and death. You can easily visualize the lymphatic system using Teach Me Anatomy's 3D models. Explore anatomy with interactive models, atlases, and study tools. Save 15% with code MONKEY15. Link in description.
Typhoid. Typhoid is caused by Salmonella typhi, which enters the body through contaminated food or water. It spreads from the intestines into the bloodstream and can attack multiple organs, eventually causing intestinal damage, severe infection, and death.
Anthrax. Anthrax is caused by Bacillus anthracis, which enters through the skin, lungs, or digestive system. It releases powerful toxins that damage cells and organs, with severe infections eventually causing breathing failure, shock, and death.
Meningitis. Bacterial meningitis can be caused by Neisseria meningitidis, which spreads through respiratory droplets in close contact. It attacks the protective layers around the brain and spinal cord, causing inflammation that can rapidly lead to brain damage, sepsis, and death.
Diphtheria. Diphtheria is caused by Corynebacterium diphtheriae, which spreads through respiratory droplets. It attacks the throat by producing a powerful toxin that can also damage the heart and nerves, eventually causing breathing failure or heart failure.
Botulism. Botulism is caused by Clostridium botulinum, which produces a powerful toxin that enters monkey body through contaminated banana or wounds. It attacks nerve signals to muscles, causing progressive paralysis that can eventually stop the muscles used for breathing. Gas gangrene. Gas gangrene is commonly caused by Clostridium perfringens, which enters damaged tissue through deep wounds. It attacks muscle by releasing toxins that destroy cells and produce gas, causing rapidly spreading tissue death that can eventually lead to shock and death. Strep infection. Serious strep infections are caused by Streptococcus pyogenes, which can enter through breaks in the skin. It attacks soft tissue by releasing toxins that rapidly destroy cells, causing severe infections that can eventually lead to organ failure and death. MRSA. MRSA is caused by a resistant strain of Staphylococcus aureus, which usually enters through cuts, wounds, or direct skin contact. It attacks skin and deeper tissues, and its antibiotic resistance can allow infections to spread into the bloodstream and cause sepsis. Legionnaires Disease. Legionnaires Disease is caused by Legionella pneumophila, which enters the lungs when monkey breathes contaminated water droplets. It attacks the respiratory system and causes severe pneumonia, which can eventually lead to respiratory failure and death. Leprosy. Leprosy is caused by Mycobacterium leprae, which spreads through prolonged close contact with an infected monkey. It slowly attacks the skin and nerves, causing loss of sensation and nerve damage that can eventually become permanent. Lyme disease. Lyme disease is caused by Borrelia burgdorferi, which enters monkey body through the bite of an infected tick. It spreads through the body and can attack joints, nerves, and the heart, eventually causing serious neurological and cardiac complications. Brucellosis. Brucellosis is caused by Brucella bacteria, which can enter monkey body through contaminated animal products or direct contact with infected animals.
It spreads through the bloodstream and can attack multiple organs, eventually causing long-term infection and serious heart or nervous system complications.